Hey, welcome to Prime Unboxing. Today, we are unboxing the CircleView Apple HomeKit wired smart doorbell from Logitech. Give your home an upgrade with the CircleView doorbell featuring Apple HomeKit secure video. Always know who or what is at the door thanks to features like face recognition, head-to-toe HD video, color night vision, and more. Plus, the striking design makes an instant improvement to the exterior of any style home. The CircleView doorbell is a remarkable addition to any home, blending seamlessly with its surroundings due to its sleek glass face and slim design. This smart doorbell is compatible with your existing wired doorbell systems and chime modules, making installation a breeze, with all the necessary components included, including various mounting options. It offers a user-friendly experience by providing rich notifications with two-way audio capabilities across all your Apple devices, ensuring you stay informed when someone approaches your door. Furthermore, its high-quality sensor with high dynamic range ensures exceptional image quality, even in challenging lighting conditions like bright sunlight or shadows. This smart doorbell is equipped with Logitech TrueView video technology, boasting a wide 160 degrees field of view, head-to-toe HD video, HDR, high dynamic range, and color night vision, guaranteeing every detail is captured day or night. It is developed exclusively for Apple HomeKit, ensuring a seamless experience with two-way audio across various Apple devices such as your iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, Mac, and Apple TV. Included in the package are all the necessary components, from multiple mounting options to a chime kit and wiring to connect it to your wired doorbell system, 824 VAC10VA or higher. If you need assistance with installation, complete services can be obtained from HelloTech at a later date. What's inside the box? CircleView Doorbell Circle. View Doorbell Chime. Kit installation accessories, quick start guide. The installation and setup procedure for the doorbell is straightforward. First, power up the doorbell, then use your iPhone's Apple Home app to scan the barcode on the back, adding it to your virtual home. After that, install the necessary hardware at your door. This entire process took me around 15 minutes and should pose no significant challenge for anyone with access to basic tools like a screwdriver, power drill, and even minimal experience with home repairs. While the Logitech CircleView doorbell may not boast the most advanced technology among video doorbells currently available, it's important to note that other competitors offer higher resolution cameras and wider fields of view. However, what sets the CircleView doorbell apart is the video quality and AI support it receives through Apple's HomeKit secure video technology. This integration provides a range of features that its non-HomeKit counterparts simply cannot match. On the flip side, it's essential to acknowledge that this video doorbell may hold limited appeal for individuals who do not use iPhones or iPads. Furthermore, even those who do use Apple devices will also require a HomePod or an Apple TV, along with a 200 GB iCloud account to maximize the benefits of this technology.